Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today is the second Sunday of the month, and this is a collab hosted by Betty, who is Scrap Passion on One. And we come, and I'll link her along with all the other ladies that are participating. We come and show our Christmas projects, tips, whatever we need to do to help us get ready for the busy Christmas season. And so if you're anything like me, it's always a crunch time. It's always rush. So last month I did a project that showed some little embellishments you can have on hand for any Christmas project or card or whatever you might be. So this month I'm doing something similar. So I pulled out some of the Christmas crafting words I have. This is from Kath's Scrappiness. This is Noel, and it has the word in the shadow. This one is joy. This one is Merry Christmas. Love the size of that. And this is a die set. This is for Scrap Diva Designs. This is called the Christmas Cheer word set, and I use some of the ones here: Christmas, Season's Greetings, North Pole. I use those. And so let me just show you what I had, and I thought this was a great idea because it'll be something I can have ready when I'm ready to put whatever it is together, whether it be cards, use on projects. So I used this chunky glitter paper pad, and I think this came from Michael's. Yeah, I used that along with some scraps that I had on hand, and this is a good way to use up some of those much needed scraps that we have. And what I did, these are the things I created. These are the embellishments, and these are just words. And I made a few, but I intend to continue to make them up into Christmas, or, until I get ready to put things together. And I kind of use some solid colors. That way they can go on any project. So I love this one. That's the Merry Christmas on vellum. And here's this greetings, that's on the holographic scrap I had there. And here's the other Merry Christmas with the pink. Gotta put a little more glue right there. And here's some of the other ones. This is cheer. See, with the gold and pink, really pretty. And I tend to craft both traditional and the non-traditional colors. So I made a little bit of each so I could have on hand. So I could have to use. And I made quite a few. And what I plan to do, see, that's Santa in the white. And then this is the north. Where's the pole? North Pole. Here's the north. And that's in more of the green with a kind of red and green color. But I wanted to show you this because maybe it'll inspire you to just have some things on hand, because we always try to rush, and this is just one less thing you have to worry about. You'll already have these ready to go. And it's easy because you can use up your scraps. Then you can you can cut these easily and glue them together, maybe while you're sitting watching TV, whatever. And then this is what I plan to do with them. I'm going to keep them all in this little container. That way I'll have them on hand, and when I need something for a project, I can just rifle through what I have already and have a ready-made sentiment to add to whatever it may be. So I thought this was a cute little tip. You see, that's the greetings on the vellum. I like the vellum. I'm digging that. So just, to change it up a little bit. So this is my project today. Again, check out everybody else and see what they're making or what they come up with. This is my tip, and I'm going to check them out to see what inspiration I can get as well. Just keep them here. And I thank you for watching today. Let me know what you think about this, and I'll see you in the next video.